Hey guys, welcome back to Shut the Smut Up. I am on week 2 without my dear Carly, but I have some big old book now. So I am in like some annotating clubs, and I have a really close friend. My gnome is what I call her, and she is wanting to do an annotating of some books with me and our mutual friend Rebecca Sinclair. And well, she's like, hey, I shipped you my book so you can read it and annotate it, and then take your time. She's like, it'll be out for delivery today. Well, today came, and this is more than a book. This is definitely more than a book. So let's open it and let's find out what is in this. So I met Kim through TikTok, also through Rebecca, and Kim kind of just like, she's like, I adopt you, and I was like, done. The funny thing is when I first met Kim, she's like, I'm gonna call you my cinnamon roll, because I hadn't really been into like any kind of spice or anything, and so she taped this really well. But I was like, yeah, that's really fine, whatever. Well, I read one of her favorite books, and then I went from a cinnamon roll to her golden retriever. Good Jesus, Kim. So, yep, I went to I'm now her golden retriever, and she's my gnome. So we talk quite a bit. We've started a Snapchat. What the fuck, Kim? We have a Snapchat streak. One moment, let me get this open. Yeah, just 1 minute. Okay, so I'm back. Finally got it open. But we've been talking a lot, and she's become a really good friend. And she is on TikTok and Instagram under GnomePatronus. Go follow, like. She is an amazing person, the kindest soul. So let's see. This is obviously very full. Good Jesus, Kim. Okay, so we got some. My cats are gonna have a heyday with that. Say hi to Gremlin. Okay, first off, books. I need more books. It's a pen. I love fucking pens. Pen horror. Let's see. This has got to have something to do with something. I'm not sure. Sprinkle Pop. This is Honey Bee Sprinkle Mix. Not sure yet. We do have a very cute wrapped book with some stickers. I tried to form a gang once, but it turned into a book club. 100% fucking jump. We got lots of bees. How cute. Sticker. Blame it on book talk. Hashtag. That is so true, because some of the best books come from recommendation. We got some chill pills. And then we have a sticker that says, you had me at enemies to lover. Love enemies to lover. We're going to come to the book last. So. Oh, how freaking pretty, Kim. We got from Blood and Ash inspired. It's from the Bookish box. This is one of their knife bookmarks. Yes, please. From Blood and Ash. Love from Blood and Ash. One of my top series. Okay, we got from Blood and Ash, Poofy jacket. Oh my god. I absolutely fucking love it. The crown, to the arrow, to the sword. Can never go wrong with too many of these, ever. And oh my god, a From Blood and Ash playing card deck. Get out right now. How freaking pretty. We got artwork. Okay, Kim. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh my god. That is cool. Just FYI, me and Carly love From Blood and Ash, so we're going to be playing. This is also from the Bookish box. And then next up, I got this box that says Together We Bake. A gift from GnomePatronus to Book Buddy Dallas. Confetti Swiss Roll Baking Kit. What? Oh my god, it smells so good. I just opened it and it's got like all the ingredients in it. Oh my god, it smells dope as shit. It smells sweet. Oh my god, how cool. So she sent me a baking kit. Oh, now I can put my sprinkles on top of it. I love that. I am a sweet tooth. It's got all the instructions. That is fucking badass. That is so badass. So, let us get to the book. I'm going to keep all these little bees and hopefully this sticker as well. Which I can keep the sticker. And I can keep the bees. So this book is what Kim wanted us to read and annotate and then send back to her. Okay, love it. So it is My Favorite Kidnapper by Melanie Moreland. And as you can tell, Kim has already went through and annotated this. And I'm really surprised that she did like a holographic one, because that's bright for Kim. Okay, I'm super stoked. Kim has talked about this book non-stop, saying how it was so cute and everything. And I'm super excited to read it. But this video is not over, because this video is just going to be dedicated to my gnome. And my gnome let me know a little secret, and it is actually for My Favorite Kidnapper. So I have another unboxing to do, so let's just get into this one, and yeah, let's get into it. This is a PR box that from Melanie Moreland for My Favorite Kidnapper. And of course, I'm going to struggle again to get it open. Oh well, let's just rip the packaging. We don't. So this book did release in September of 7th. So this is actually their PR box from the Nerd family. And it says, "You're the worst kidnapper in the entire world. You know that." So I'm freaking excited. Let's get this open. Oh, look how cute. Oh, and it says Dallas, enjoy your, I'm not sure because I'm not very good at reading things, but anyways, this thing is stocked full. We already have an annotating kit right off the bat, man. As well as the book. This just gets better and better. Oh my god. Oops, sorry. So let's start off with this tiny annotating kit that we got here. Yeah, so Kim got this. I had to know where she got it from, and I had to get one too. So right off the bat, we have a cute bookmark on the back. We do got some annotating tabs, which are perfect for this book, especially where I'm going to be annotating this. I can actually annotate my copy as well as Kim's. Love that. Love that. Another thing is this comes with an annotation key, and that I've never seen those in any like books, like box or anything. So it's really interesting. So, I mean, you can choose your colors for like spicy scenes, quote this everywhere, did not see this coming, romantic. Like, that is so cool. That's unique. God, I'm just dropping everything. And then we do have a sticker of the characters from, as well as we have 2 annotating markers. That is perfect because now I'm all set. Like, I am so set. And then we also do have, we do have a glasses cleaner. Look at that. Well, look at that. That's kind of spicy. Kind of spicy. Not just teasing. Anyways, and then we do have another one for my favorite kidnapper. And on the back, it actually has a recipe for a hummingbird cake. It gives you the ingredients, the frosting, and the directions for a hummingbird cake, which I'm guessing is inside the book. And it's got cream cheese frosting. I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make this goddamn recipe. I'm gonna do it. Then it also did come with six, yep, page overlays. Should we get into this and look at these? I also love when the authors, you know, tell you where to put them. So part of me is like, do I dare look at these? I mean, I've already seen them, so why not? Okay, these page overlays are fucking beautiful. Look at the detail. Cute. We got a spicy one. I love that. The detail is just so pretty. Then we have the front cover. I love these page overlays are some of my favorite, man. Oh my god. A cute romantic one. Like, the artwork is just stunning. fucking stunning. Like, that artwork is just beautiful for page overlays, man. We are going to put these back, and then when I read my book, when I get done finishing it, annotating, these will actually go into the book itself. So, okay, and then next up, we have the book. So yeah, so Kim absolutely raved about this book, loved it, so we got another bookmark. Another bookmark, but this one is so cool too, because it comes with the hummingbird recipe as well. Oh my, wait, hold up. Hold up. This is actually for cookies. This is a cookie recipe one. So this is completely different. Oh my god. I love that. Another recipe. Not sure who Roomba is, but it's got to be important because it's obviously got fish in a food bowl, so it's got to be something to do with the cat. Obviously, I'm not going to read that. Okay. It then came with a huge envelope, and I mean, this envelope is chock full. Jesus. Oh, wow. We got a For Goodness Cake sticker. Release the Cake In sticker. Not sure what this is. I think it's a coaster, and it says, "What dream would be complete without coffee?" Good Jesus. 3 vital things you need from your book boyfriend: tea, cookies, and compliments. From Melanie, sticker. Okay. Then we got stickers based from the book. Roomba is the cat. I was right. I'm here for this. I am so here for this. This PR box is beautiful. More stickers. I absolutely love the artwork. Kim, thank you for not holding out. My gnome. And then we just have another list of like some books from Melanie herself. On both in front. And then we also got a cooking conversion chart magnet. That, my friends, is badass. This entire PR package has been one thing after another. Oh my god. Okay, Miss Melanie. Miss Melanie, we see you. Just making sure. Okay. Nothing else. Let's get into the book, right? I don't know if I can tab this one. I don't know if I can do it. You're asking Dallas, why can't you tab this one? Why? Why? You want to know why? So it's the exact same book, right? 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 Is it? Is it though? Oh, look at those sprayed edges. Look at the cat paw. With the whisk. Look at the detail. Those, my friends, is some detail. Those is beautiful. Oh my god. It even comes with a signed freaking book plate. Oh my god, and it even... So not only did the author sign it, but the person that did the artwork signed it as well. Okay. Fuck yeah. Yes. That is freaking badass. Badass, man. Well, you can also even tell there's a difference in, like, the author's copy is like thin, where the regular edition is chunky. Okay, well, I just want to give a huge shout out to my Cam, my gnome. This video is for you. Thank you for the wonderful gifts along with the book to annotate, as well as passing along your secrets to get my favorite kidnapper, you know, the PR box. Like, how freaking badass is this? I enjoyed it. Cannot wait to start baking. I got 3 things to bake, guys. So I'm gonna head out and I'm gonna start baking some shit. So if you like this video, make sure to follow, subscribe, like, and then go follow me, Carly, as well as GnomePatronus. I will tag her in the bio. I'll add a link to her TikTok and Instagram. But I will catch you guys on the next one, and Carly should be back. So, bye.